Hola, clase. How's it going? Senior Boyle here. Hey, let's review two things. One is the names of classes. Okay. The second thing is do you guys remember this? Back when we did numbers, we said first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so forth. Do you remember doing that? Well, that was a long time ago, so maybe you don't. Let's review it really quick, and then let's talk about how to do this sheet. Okay. Hey, first, repeat after me on this one. And if you're alone in your room, that's fine. You can just say it out loud, say it in your head, something, but I just want you to see these and remember these. El almuerzo, el arte, el dibujo, la tecnología, el aula de estudiar, las ciencias, la biología, la física, la química, las ciencias de salud, la economía doméstica, las carreras, la cocina, la costura. I think they should bring costura back to the high school. Really do. Everyone should know how to do that. La educación física, los deportes, la geografía, la historia, las ciencias sociales, los idiomas, las lenguas extranjeras, alemán, español, francés, inglés, italiano. I think we should have at least that many foreign languages in our high school. Matemáticas, computación, música, banda, coro, orquesta. Okay. Hey, quick. That was a quick review. Let's do this. Take a look at this. Remember these. These are numbers that tell you what order things are in. Primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, and décimo. Okay, so they look a lot like, primero looks like primer or first, segundo, second, tercero, third, cuarto looks like cuatro, quinto looks like quince, sexto looks like seis maybe, séptimo looks a little bit like siete, octavo looks like ocho, noveno looks like nueve, and décimo looks like diez. Well, that helps us to remember those. But what if you're talking about something that is feminine? For example, in Spanish, we want to say first period. We could say periodo uno. We could do it. But really, we'll probably say the first hour. So, first period would be la primera hora. Notice how we change primero to primera because hora is feminine. So, all of these will end in a because all of these are talking about hours. So, we have primera hora, segunda hora, tercera hora, cuarta hora, quinta hora, sexta hora, séptima hora, octava hora, novena hora, décima hora, and 11th wasn't in the notes, but it's undécima hora. Okay, so this little chart is going to be on the end of the worksheet that you're going to do today, just to help you in case you need to refer to it. So it's on the second page. So when you get a chance, you're going to open this up. Now, here's the thing. Some students have been taking this. I don't know what they're doing with it. They open this up and they turn it in blank. You can't do that. You actually have to put answers in these spots. So let's say my name is Bob Smith. Okay. Now, what are we doing here? Louisa's class schedule is right here. Read the statements about her activities. And for each activity, tell us what it is. Tell us what time she has that class and what class she has. And it says spell out the numbers. Okay, this will be fun. Let's do a couple of these. Louisa is doing a chemistry experiment. Well, what class is she doing that chemistry experiment in? Well, it's science. And it is at 10:25. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to say what time it is. And then we're going to say she has science. How do you say she has science? Well, right here it says ella tiene, she has, and then we're going to name the class. So let's do that right here. Let's say son las, and it's 10:25, right? Spell it out. 10:25. Period. 10:30. Ella tiene ciencias. Easy stuff, right? Okay. Obviously, you can figure these out. Ernest Hemingway is a novel. Number 3. Let's see. Researching the internet. Well, that's time to wake up. That's computer science, right? Okay, let's go to the second page. No, it's not the second page. It's still the first page. Bottom of the first page. It is the first day of school. Oh, that sounds like fun. Lani just got her new schedule. For each one of these, if it's true, you write sí. If it's false, you write no. Okay, en la tercera hora tiene matemáticas. Well, what is the third hour? What is third period? 1, 2, 3. She has science, not math. So here we're going to say no. Oh, you have to figure out what hour we're talking about. And the names of the classes are the same because they're all in Spanish. Hey, if you forget what these ordinal numbers are, segundo, segunda, primera, octava, novena, just go to the second page and you can look them up right there. Real easy. Okay, hey, as soon as this paper is done, turn it into Google Classroom, mark it done. Hey, if you have any back work, you can do that, but you're running out of time. So don't let things get piled up. Make sure you keep up with stuff and have an awesome day.